we're landing now. Whee! I love that so much. Nor have I, Leilani. Wait the whole time. I feel as though I've slept, but I haven't. I know for a fact that I was awake this whole time. It wasn't even that long. Leilani, do that again. I see I'm a freaky sister. She's so freaky. She scares me. No, she actually scares me. Sometimes she does. Sometimes she just damn right annoys me, but she can scare me.
I smell pan.
You got your arm.
I am Pennywise, the dancing clown.
Stop sleeping. Make that balance.
I'm ready. I'm stuck.
People's blinds are like still down a little bit. They need to be open completely. Mine are open as far as they will go. Look, see. Yeah, if it won't actually go any further, don't push it any further. Just make sure it's up as high as it can go. That plane's got like the engine bit there, it's got like some sort of hole in it. That's probably for the air intake though. Because the engines, they don't just use fuel, they use a mix of air and fuel as well, so that's probably what that hole in the engine's for. And second of all, maybe it's just the paint that's been redone. Oh, actually, the air intake, see that little metal grate down there next to the sign? There's a little bit of wording next to that big square sign, and then there's a grate next to that wording. You can't see the grate. Actually, ow, you bang the hell on the thing. You can see the grate just down there.
Jet right next to me.
Yeah, you can see that little grate down there next to the wording. So there's some wording next to that square, that rectangle shaped sign. Then there's wording to the left of it, and to the bottom left of that wording you can see a little grate. That's the air intake down there. That's where the air intake is. Or should I say the exhaust? I don't know. Doesn't matter though. One of them's the air intake, one of them's the exhaust. There we are landing. Here we are, guys. We hit the runway. Slam down them brakes. Oh, you get condensation on the the condensation on my window. Nice and cold though. There's really a lot of condensation on the window.
If you know the ship Titanic, people like. Oh, and by the way, just to say that the Titanic sank while it was being tested, so they got one of our sister ships.
Oh my god.
Titanic. Oh. The Titanic would probably be bigger than the fake Titanic that sank. But it's famous in history.
I'm starting to think that the iPad camera kind of needs a light to operate, because then little lights it gets, it picks them up as well.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. If your journey ends here at Gatwick after disembarking, please follow the signs marked arrivals. If you are connecting to an international flight,